starts now.
The legal fight between the parents of Gabby Petito and the parents of Brian Laundrie entered the courtroom today.
The judge considered a motion to dismiss one of the lawsuits. News specialist Lad Egan is live in the newsroom with more on the latest. Lad.
Well, the judge heard arguments from attorneys from both families today in a lawsuit filed by Gabby Petito's parents, claiming that Brian Laundrie's parents caused emotional distress, alleging that they knew their son murdered Petito but refused to act and say where her body was located.
Conduct that amounts to remaining silent and maintaining privacy is not intentional infliction of emotional distress.
Knowing that Gabby was dead, knowing their son had murdered her, knowing where the body was, and in particular, knowing that Joseph Petito and Nicole Schmidt were desperate to learn where their daughter was located, they went on vacation.
The FBI has said Laundrie wrote in a notebook that he was responsible for 22-year-old Petito's death during their cross-country road trip. A Wyoming coroner said she died by strangulation. Laundrie was later found dead from a self-inflicted gunshot wound near his parents' Florida home. The lawsuit alleges the Laundries knew their son's whereabouts and were making arrangements for him to leave the country.
They make a statement saying, "We hope you find her. We hope you're reunited," giving them false hope that perhaps their daughter is still alive. If that's not outrageous, Your Honor, I don't know what is outrageous.
The plaintiffs argue that the Laundries had an obligation, a duty to speak. The law imposes no such obligation to speak, and the state and federal constitutions support that.
Brian Laundrie's parents were not in the courtroom today. They had filed a motion to dismiss this case, and that's what the attorneys argued before the judge today. This lawsuit also claiming that Brian Laundrie's mom blocked Petito's mom on social media during the search and also on the cell phone so that calls and texts wouldn't be delivered. The judge said that he needs more time to make a decision in 2 weeks, and he'll decide whether this lawsuit can continue to move forward to a jury trial. Dan will keep you updated on the judge's decision.
Yeah, it'll be interesting to see how this all plays out. Thanks a lot, Lad.